In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to video in Canva. If you've ever wanted to bring a still photo to life with motion, Canva's Magic Studio makes it quick and surprisingly fun. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what each option does, and share a few tips so you get a result you're happy with the first time. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one that already has the image you want to animate. If you're starting fresh, choose a canvas size that fits where you'll use the video later, like a social post or a presentation slide. Once your design is open, click or tap the image you want to animate so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box handles around it. With the image selected, go to Edit. Under Magic Studio, look for the option called Image to Video. If you don't see it right away, swipe or scroll through the Magic Studio tools until it appears. This is the feature that converts a still image into a short video clip by adding motion. Next, you'll choose a mode. Smart is the fastest way to get a result. It applies default motion automatically based on what the tool detects in your image, so it's great when you want a one-click transformation. If you're after a specific effect, switch to Custom. Here, you can type a short prompt that describes the motion you want, like Make it rain. Keep your prompt simple and focused on a single action or mood. Clear, descriptive phrases tend to work best. When you're ready, tap Generate to create a 3-second video. Give it a moment to process. You'll see a preview once it's done. This is your chance to quickly evaluate movement. Does it match your intent? Is it smooth? And does it enhance the original photo rather than distract from it? If you like what you see, tap Add Video to Design. The animated clip will replace or sit on top of your original image in the canvas, ready for you to position and incorporate into your layout. If the result isn't quite right, simply generate again. You can retry Smart for a different automatic motion, or adjust your custom prompt and run it once more until you land on a look you love. And that's it. Thanks for watching.